ma'am. Hello, sir. Good morning. I want to introduce myself. My name is Arni Putri Lubis. You can call me Arni. I am 35 years old. My height 143 cm. My weight 78 kg. My religion Muslim. I come from Medan, North Sumatra. My last education senior high school. My status married. I have two siblings. I number 2 in family. I have working experience in Medan 5 years. From 2020 until 2025, my job taker autistic child, 5 years old, cleaning house, cooking, washing, ironing, and go to market. One family, 4 person, man, sir, 1 autistic child and 1 adult. Type house, 2 floor, 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom. I won't go to Singapore because earn more money for me and my family. I promise to obedient, hardworking, finish my contract 2 years in Singapore. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore. Bye-bye.